Hello students, now we'll be studying about direction of magnetic field. Okay, now what is the direction of magnetic field? Before moving that, we'll study two symbols. One symbol is circle with a dot and circle with cross. What does this show? This shows that whenever a field is going inside, something is going inside the page or it is coming outside the page. Okay, then we can show it in this two manner. This dot shows outward motion. Outward. Okay, when something is coming out, like this is the point, this is the direction we are moving. So this direction, to show this direction, what it is done, okay, sorry, it was not visible. To come in this direction, that is outside the page, will be showing this symbol. And whenever something is going inside the plane, we'll be showing this symbol. Okay, we'll write inward or toward. Okay, I hope these symbols are very clear. Now what we need to find? We need to find the direction of DL cross R using screw rule or thumb rule. Okay, it is done by screw rule or thumb rule, right hand thumb rule, right hand thumb rule. Okay, now what we know? We know that whenever there is a current carrying wire, then at elemental length DL, okay, this is current. If we want to find any magnetic field at this, whose distance is R, this is point P, then what will be the direction of this magnetic field? Okay, to find this magnetic field, we'll be using right hand thumb rule. Remember, it is only right hand thumb rule. Okay, now what we need to do? Place your thumb in the direction of current. The direction of current is in this direction, so I'll place my thumb in this direction. Now I need to see whether the current is on the right side or on the left side. What I need to do? First, I have kept my thumb in the direction of current. Now what I will do? I'll curl my fingers. As the point is in this side, what will be the direction? It will be in the downward direction. That will be inward direction. So it means that it will be going inside the page, so the direction will be inward. Now suppose if we take a point over here, okay, if this is P, let me name it Q, okay, and the distance, let this distance be also R. Now what if I want to find the magnetic field over here? Again I will put the thumb in the direction of current. Now it is this side, so what will happen? It will be coming out. When I want to curl my finger, when I am curling my finger, what it does? It is coming out of the page. So this will be shown in this form. Okay, and the magnetic field is perpendicular to both DL as well as R. Okay, so if this is the direction of current, then this will be the direction of DL also, and this is the direction of R. Then the magnetic field is perpendicular to both, that is in the downward direction, that will be perpendicular to both, and the direction of that field is given by right hand thumb rule. Suppose I have current carrying wire, and if I put my thumb in the direction of current, then the curls of my finger, if this is going down, then it will give me inward direction. If it is coming outside in this way, then it will show me the outward direction. Okay, I have written it for you, right hand palm rule or right hand thumb rule, you can write. Okay, what you need to do? Place the thumb of your right hand. Importantly, right hand, don't use left hand, it will give you the wrong direction. Right hand in the direction of the current, and curl your fingers. The direction in which your fingers curls gives you the direction of magnetic field. Place a right hand thumb in the direction of current and curl your fingers. Okay, the curl of the fingers will give you the direction of the magnetic field. Okay, we'll just try to do some examples. Suppose a current carrying wire is moving in this direction. Okay, this is the direction of current. Then what will be the direction of magnetic field? What we need to do? We'll find it at 2 points. Let this be point A and this be point B. Okay, suppose this is the current carrying wire. The current is in this direction, so I'll put my right thumb in this direction. If I want to find the magnetic field this side, then what I'll do? I'll curl my fingers. So curling my fingers is in outward direction. So here the field will be in outward direction. Okay, now same thing over here. If I do, what I will do? I need to turn this, or it can be in this direction, okay, because it is on the side opposite to the previous field. So this is the direction of the magnetic field, that is in inward direction. Here it was in outward direction, this was outward direction, and when I am curling it, this is inward direction. So here the direction will be inward direction, okay. Similarly, let us take another example. Suppose this is a current carrying wire, okay. This is the direction of current. If I want to find it over here and over here, let this be point A, point B, okay. Now this will be the direction. Now this is the direction of current, so this will be direction. If this side, it will be in inward direction, okay. This is our inward direction, so it will be cross, and here it will be outward direction, okay. I can show in this manner, okay. This is our outward direction, so this will be shown as this, okay. I hope this much portion is very clear to you. Now suppose third one, if it is already given to you that current is in inward direction, okay, and there is a point over here showing P, okay. Let this be R. Current is going inside. Then what will be the direction of magnetic field? Current is inside, so what we need to do? We need to put our thumb in this direction. Oh sorry, current is coming outward, so it will be in this direction. As I have put the dot, the current direction will be outward, okay. So now when I curl my field, when I curl my fingers, what it will be? This will be showing my magnetic field. When I curl this finger, it will be showing my magnetic field. So this will be the direction of magnetic field. So this will be the direction of magnetic field, okay. Now similarly, if it is like inward direction of current, this is direction of current, means current will be in this direction, okay. Suppose I want to find magnetic field at this point, okay. Let this be distance R, this be point A. Now as the current is going downward, I'll put my right hand thumb in that direction, and I'll curl my finger. I'll curl my finger in this manner. So what will be? It will be in this direction. It will be in this direction. So the direction of magnetic field will be this. I hope this is very clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please study it. Please try to understand the direction of magnetic field very clearly. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.